So what we have today to taste is a Subway inspired sandwich. We use a brioche baguette. We have ricotta, we have bacon and potato masala. We cooked it together with spices and green chili, coriander, with fresh herbs. The recipe will be in the description, so you can try. We spread it with nice ricotta. The bread is toasted with ghee, clarified butter we used, okay, and topped up with some cheddar cheese, nice cheddar, and melted with the broccoli. So that gives that burnt flavor. That's amazing to have with the sandwich. So let's taste it. So either you can use cutleries, if you want to use it in the restaurant. Otherwise, just press it down together like this. Well, nice.